guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a cranberry bread. We're going to start by presetting our oven to 350 degrees. Then we're going to grease our pan. I'm going to start with 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, one cup brown sugar. Right here, I'm just mixing all my ingredients together, all my dry ingredients together. After mixing, set aside and move to your wet ingredients. Here we have 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Now I'm going to add 1 large egg to my butter. Make sure your egg is lightly beaten. Add 1 cup of milk to your mixture. Add your dry mixture to your wet mixture. I'm taking my time by adding small amounts of my dry ingredients to my wet ingredients because you don't want it to be too much flour in there. Remember, guys, to always take your sides down. Mix, 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 and more mix until flour is no longer visible. So this is what my batter looks like. So now I'm going to add in my cranberry, and I'm just using regular ocean spray dried cranberries. So I'll be back. As you guys can see, I poured it in my baking pan that I had prepared before by greasing it. So this is what my cranberry bread looks like after I take it out of the oven. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching.